One question that my clients very frequently ask me is, how can I avoid doing any additional jail time after I've been arrested? Many have never been in trouble before, and they spend the night in jail. They have work, they have families. Going to jail is simply something that my clients cannot do. So if I'm talking with a prosecutor or the judge, in Los Angeles County, there's several options that are available if they agree instead of a jail sentence. The most common is for my client to be ordered or agree to do some kind of community labor instead of jail. In LA County, that means working as a volunteer with Caltrans. Caltrans works on the highway. You would pick up trash. There's another organization called Tree Farm where my clients will volunteer and plant trees, things like that. And very frequently, the district attorney may begin by saying that they want my client to do 30 days in jail. And as we negotiate the case, we agree to some kind of an alternative where instead of doing any time in jail, they spend maybe 10 days, 15 days working with the tree farm, working with Caltrans, something like that. And that allows my clients to schedule those dates on the weekend so they don't have to spend the night. Most importantly, just simply stay out of jail, which is a place most of my clients don't want to go to. Another option in LA County, it's not used as frequently, is a house arrest option. But house arrest in Los Angeles County is imposed after a client takes a plea and before they're sentenced. So if a client is sentenced, agrees to take 60 days in jail, the jail sometimes can convert those 60 days to 60 days of house arrest. It requires the client to send in an application before they go to jail. It requires the client to pay fees. And it also excludes certain charges like violent charges and sex crimes. But if the client is approved and they're a suitable candidate for house arrest, the jail, Los Angeles County Jail, will allow that instead of a full jail sentence. One other option that is available for clients is private jail. And that means that instead of staying in the main LA County Jail, they will stay in a holding cell at a police station. These places are typically described by clients as a nicer experience than being in the main jail. And also, sometimes these dates can be scheduled around a client's work schedule. So a client who may be interested in private jail or has no other way out of doing some jail time can ask me, or we can talk to the district attorney about private jail as a potential option. One downside is that clients do typically have to pay for private jail, which is around $70 to $150, depending on when they stay. That's per night. But it does allow them to have more flexibility with their schedule, and it is a nicer experience for the clients, so I've heard.